Come on, Franklin. Come on. Who's your big boy? Who's your big boy? Huh? Franklin's a big boy. Oh, what did Franklin find? Huh? What did Franklin find? What did Franklin find? Oh, he's a Franklin big boy. Maybe. Oh, you're so adorable. Where do you want to walk to now? Come on, let's go this way. Franklin. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey. Franklin, stay out of there. Franklin. Come on. That's the bad area. Come on this side. Come on. This way. And now you can go. Is that Franklin walking? Is that my Franklin? What is it? What did you find? What did the Franklin find? Oh no. Franklin's gonna look. Ooh, I really shouldn't have brought a suitcase for this, but had to keep your trees in something. Franklin.